Configuring Active Directory Domain Service. Follow the step-by-step procedures on how to configure the ads. This is important since this is where all the information on resources are centered on. Installing DNS Server. Press Start button and on the Search tab, type in DC Promo, follow the DNS Server setup installation. Click the Next button. Then click Next. Select Create New Domain Forest and hit Next button. Next is you need to provide the server domain name server e.g. by adding the following domain: register domain name .com, .net, .org, etc. Then click Next. Set Forest functional level to Windows Server 2008 R2. Click the Next button. Click the Next button. Click Yes. Then click Next. Enter your password and retype it on the box below. Always use pass1234 as your default password. Click the Next button. Then click Next. Check Reboot on completion for your server to finalize your DNS server setup. After the server has been rebooted, you will notice the domain name you create appears right before the administrator. This will indicate that the domain service is successfully created. Now type your password pass1234 and press Enter. And now let us go to our client PC. Click the Start button and look for Computer. Right-click on Computer and select Properties. At the lower right, click for Change Settings. On System Properties, click for Change button. Select Domain tab and type your domain name css.com on the text box. Then click OK. The Windows security must appear. On username, type administrator. And on the password, type pass1234. Then click OK. Then click OK. Then click OK. Then click Close button. Click Restart now. After the client PC has been rebooted, you will see the press Ctrl-Alt-Delete to log on. Just leave the text box blank and press Enter. You are now under the domain server. To our next video we will show you how to install DHCP server.